about how to apply Java type wrappers to convert the numeric to strings. So what is wrapper class? The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert the primitive into object type and object type into the primitive type. Since Java 5, autoboxing and unboxing feature convert primitive into objects and objects into primitive automatically. So autoboxing is used to convert primitives into objects and unboxing is used to convert objects into primitives. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing and vice versa is known as unboxing. So what is use of wrapper classes? It changed the value in method. Java supports only call by value, so if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value in an object, it will change the original value. Serialization. We need to convert the object into streams to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert it in objects through the wrapper classes. Synchronization. Java synchronization works with objects in multi-threading. Java.util.package. This util package provides the utility classes to deal with objects. Collection framework. Java collection framework works with objects only. So all classes of the collection frameworks, that is array list, linked list, vector, hash set, all these things deal with objects only. Here are some primitive type and their wrapper classes. Boolean, boolean, char, character, byte, byte, short, short. We all know that Java is a case sensitive, so the small short and capital short is totally different. It is of primitive type and it is of wrapper and it is their wrapper class. Then int, integer, long, long, float, float, double, double. So here is the concept of autoboxing. The autoboxing conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper class is known as autoboxing. For example, byte to byte wrapper, char to character, int to integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, double to double and short to short. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the value of method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into objects. Next one is unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper type into its corresponding primitive type is known as unboxing. It is the reverse process of autoboxing. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the int value method of wrapper classes to convert the wrapper type into primitives. Let's see the code how we can implement the wrapper class in Java. Wrapper example. First of all, we create a class that is public class wrapper example, and inside the main method we just create the primitive types, that is byte b is equals to 10, short s is equals to 20, int I is equals to 30, long L is equals to 40, float f is equals to 50.0 f and double d is equals to 60.0 d, and then char c is equals to a, boolean b2 is equals to true. So here we will take the primitive types and then with the help of autoboxing we convert it into objects. So how can we convert? Let's see it. First of all, we just write byte, byte object is equals to b, short, short object is equals to s, integer, int object is equals to I, long, long object is equals to L, and the float, float object is equals to f. So what we do here, we just assign the value of this variable, that is b, s, I, L in their wrapper classes, just like the byte wrapper class is byte and for short wrapper class is short. So we just assign these values into their wrapper classes and then the autoboxing can be done. And here's the result, that is printing objects, byte object, byte object. So it will print the object value. and then after that we just unbox it, and again convert this object to primitives. We use the unboxing, and here we just write again, we initialize byte value, and then just assign this byte object to that byte value, and then print this thing. So just save it and let's execute it. So we are already in our file location. So just write Zavak wrapper example.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it by writing Java wrapper example. See, it will give us the result, that is printing object value. So these are the object value, and then the primitive values. So these are the primitive values of this thing. So in this way, we can utilize the wrapper class in Java. Thank you.